Okay, this is a rebuilt F660V. It's got the Walbro carburetor, good Italian coil in it. Came as a return saw. Everything from the case half up is brand new. New cylinder, high quality nickel seal. Mild part work, nothing crazy with the port width, so it's going to have great ring life. Meteor piston, caber rings. Basically all the best parts. A lot of clutch parts. It's got the high volume oil pump upgrade. Let's see, it's a 1.3 millimeter stroke, so it's plenty of oil for a big bar. 175 psi compression, and it's just going to be a good saw for somebody. Here we go. Oh, by the way, it's wearing a carbide chain, so I don't expect it to cut very fast at all. Currently tuned at 13,500 RPMs as well. Okay, so didn't cut very fast as expected. That chain does not cut very fast at all, but does show the saw has plenty of horsepower, run something that big. And yeah, it's gonna be a good saw.